This is one of the largest international air shows in the world.
This is Bjorn Ollendijk with FDH Aero, coming from the Paris Air Show. Had a great time connecting with our suppliers and partners. Thanks everyone for stopping by. Looking forward to connecting with you when we're back in the States.
Hi, my name is Yael Bitton. I'm the VP General Counsel of FDH.
Hallo und herzlich willkommen von der Luftfahrtmesse in Paris. Mein Name ist Björn Anders.
It's a wonderful place to be, and we're excited to be here.
I am Pascal Sutterby and I am FDH Aero.
I am Yama Tannerman and I am FDH Aero.
I am Jin Kim, I'm FDH Aero.
I'm Mia Wall, I'm FDH Aero. Hi, I'm Emily Glickstein with FDH Aero. We just wanted to say thank you so much for stopping by our booth this show. We had a great time maintaining relationships and building new ones, and we hope to see you next year.